Wait. First, fellas, let's define rabid fan.
I am...
Groupie?
I'm a groupie, and
Okay.
I'm a big mouth, and I get all my friends and my community whipped into a frenzy about coming to the Desert Winds. And the Desert Winds is such a unique organization. One of my favorite things, the ways to describe the Desert Winds to anybody who asks, is this ain't yo mama's Philharmonic.
Okay.
And because Chuck
like that.
and his group do not do typical music. What they do is they move you. They make the experience so different. And that is what grabbed me from the first note that I heard them. It was something that I've been in music all my life. I'm a performer. I have my own bluegrass group. But this just grabbed me from the get-go. And it evoked emotion. It evoked joy. It evoked so many different feelings during that first concert that it just has taken me from concert to concert. And our group has grown and grown and grown over the last 2 years. And this year we are just, we occupy a whole row in the concert hall.
Great.
And so my friends, my family, anybody that I can get to come to this their first concert is a Rabid fan for thereafter.
How would you describe the Desert Winds to someone who's never heard of the Desert Winds?
The Desert Winds is a group who takes contemporary music, and that in itself is something very unique. Many people go to the Philharmonic and many of the established groups, and they play a lot of the classical composers. But the Desert Winds takes composers of today that are creating this fabulous music and putting the Desert Winds spin on it. So what that means is they might create the sound of a rainstorm coming through the room, and it actually feels like it's coming through the room from the start of finger snaps to thigh slaps to it moving on to and away from you, that everybody that has been in that situation can relate to. And he takes the audience and makes them all part of it, whether it's through their fingers and through their feelings. And it is just such a unique experience that I've never had anywhere else.